Alrighty, so we're here with the Wired Off-Road bike, and I'm making a video to show how to turn off soft start per a customer's request. So soft start, just to give a little background, it's a setting within the software here that has different values, different grades they call it. So by default we set it at enabled at 16. Kind of an arbitrary number, but basically it just makes it so you're less likely to loop on pavement or something, so it hits a little softer at the start of the throttle engagement. So it can be a bit of a bear connecting this depending on your computer. There's like issues with the COM port, but for now I'll just keep it simple and hope that when you plug this in, it gets recognized. The software we're using is Votol EM150 software debugging, and it's available for download from the Votol SIA Ecosys website. I can Google it and find it pretty easily. So we plug it into the bike through the one plug that it fits with the cable. Then we turn the bike on. We've got power, and then we need the key on. If you don't have the key on, if you're not in drive, it's not gonna work. So then we come here. Mine's in COM 4 port, and I will open the connection. And then I'll press connect, and you can see the success count increase. Okay, so now we've got signal transferring between the motor controller and the computer, which is great. Then we go to soft start, and if you want to disable it completely, you can just uncheck it. I would leave it on some amount, just lessen it. So it's that simple. And then once you do that, you just do, here, we'll disable it. Param right, it beeps, rate 2 successful, and you just close. And then for the changes to take effect, you have to turn it off all the way, let it completely die, and then, and only then, will the settings actually be updated. So you know, it takes a second for it to shut down. So now if I turn it back on, soft start is disabled. That's it.